So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is what my hair is looking like right now, and I am just I have done a lot this week. This week has gone through life. It came as a blonde weave. I dyed it black, and this is what the closure looks like. It was actually a weave. I made it into a wig. This is the ends. These are the ends rather, and this is what it's looking like right now. Very dry, hard to comb through. I just thought, let me just revive this. So I checked online and I saw there's a way. You can boil your wigs. Yeah. So it was also breaking, like you can see in this video right now. It was breaking badly. So yeah, I'm going to be using the Palm Olive Naturals shampoo. I'm just going to use that to lather up this wig and just try to like wash it, because I think the last time I wore this wig was early this year, like in January or in February supposedly. So yeah, just gently lathering this up. Like, please take your time when you're doing this. I had to fast forward this part, but like, make sure that you are not very harsh with your wig. Just take your time. So yeah, I washed this using this shampoo just to get it all nice and smooth before we actually go into the whole conditioning process and boiling process. So this is me rinsing it. The hair isn't actually so dirty. So So yeah, I just rinsed, took a lot of that shampoo out, and this is the final look after shampooing. Then I put some hot water. I started with hot water actually, and this is the kinky Nigerian calls hot oil fusion. I don't know. I put like 2-3 drops, and next I went in with my Tresemme conditioner and added some pumps of that, and I just put my wig. So I used a pot that we rarely use at home, because I'm putting chemicals and all of that. So, and my mom did not know, so shh. And yeah, I put it on the gas, and yeah, I couldn't film the parts where I have it on the gas bar, because I'm not allowed to use my phone in the kitchen. So yeah, this is it. So this is what it looks like. I was a bit shocked, because why is it looking golden? But then yeah, so this is it. I transferred it onto my towel, and you can see the steam and everything. So yeah, it looks really dead, but then I go and I touch it, and wow, it's feeling so soft. Sorry. It feels so soft. You can see my curls look like they've come back. At this point, I wasn't sure. I had to like really take my time, study this thing, and like try to like understand what's actually going on. And yeah, so it had a nice feel to it. So after examining my hair, I decided to use some hot water, not hot, but like warm water, to just rinse out the conditioner as well. But I didn't want to rinse out so much of it. I still wanted the conditioner to remain in the hair. I don't know why, but I didn't use so much. So this is it.
So I'm a bit confused. I'm seeing some waves.
So this thing legit brought the waves back to my wig. I don't know how, but then I'm going ahead to dye it using my coffee dyes, and I'm going to be mixing the both of them. I started off with the wig on my head, but I removed it because I wasn't getting what I wanted, and then I went ahead to just do what I'm doing right now. And yeah, so I just applied. I have a video on the whole process. Please do well to check that out. I'll leave the link. I have a whole video on that.
I have tried my best to straighten this out, and I didn't use a flat iron. I used a regular iron.
So I used a regular iron to just try to straighten this whole thing out, because I don't have a straightener. But then I went ahead to like try to, I don't know, like just trim the ends and make everything to seem very even, so to speak. So yeah, this is like basically all that I did. This is the final look. we came a long way, truly, truly, truly. But this is what it's looking like. I love it, but then I have some one or twos to talk about.
I have a feeling that it has this shiny effect to it, maybe because of my lighting setup, because I'm using a ring light and it's so direct, but probably in the sunlight it would be it would not be this shiny and pronounced. But I definitely love the color that I got from mixing two of the temporary hair colors. Definitely like how the two colors came out. Where are you going to? All right, so yeah, let me know in the comment section what you feel about this look, and I would really appreciate that. So yeah, that is it. I would see you guys in my next video. Bye.